Assalamu alaikum class. My name is Noor and my roll number is 45. I am discussing the question number 5 of exercise number 12.4, which is u0t is equals to 0, u pi comma t is equals to 0 where t is greater than 0 and u x comma 0 is equals to x into 1 minus x. Derivative of u over derivative of t integrated t is equals to 0 equals to x into 1 minus x where 0 is smaller than x and x is smaller than 1. Our solution is, first of all, we have the wave differential equation from the textbook, which is equals to a square derivative square u over derivative x square equals to derivative square u over derivative t square. So we mark this equation as 1. Now first of all, our first step we will make the separate independent variables where u into u 0 comma t u 0 comma t equals to 0 and u 1 comma t is equals to 0 where t is greater than 0 and u x 0 is equals to x into 1 minus x. This is our question. Let us suppose u is equals to x into x and t into t. We are making independent variables. Derivative of u over derivative of x is equals to x prime t and derivative u square over derivative x square is equals to x double prime t. Same, derivative of u over derivative of t is equals to x t prime and derivative u square over derivative t square is equal to x t double prime. This is equation A and this is equation B. Now substitute equation A and B into equation 1, which is the equation of wave differential equation from the textbook. After substitution, we get the result x double prime t is equals to x t double prime divided by xt on both sides. X double prime over x is equals to 1 over a square t double prime over t. अब जैसे कि हमें नज़र आ रहा है कि x डबल प्राइम ओवर x एंड 1 ओवर a स्क्वायर t डबल प्राइम ओवर t दोनों सेपरेट इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स बन चुके हैं. सो अब हम इन दोनों को लैम्डा के इक्वल कर देंगे, माइनस लैम्डा के इक्वल करेंगे हम इन दोनों को. तो हमारे पास दो नई इक्वेशन आ जाएंगे, इक्वेशन सी एंड इक्वेशन डी. नाउ वी अप्लाई in step 2 we apply cases. Now we will discuss the cases. In case 1, when lambda is equals to 0, we apply this case in equation A. So it becomes integration of x double prime is equals to 0 and x is equals to c1x plus m1 and derivative of t prime derivative of t double prime is equals to 0 and t is equals to c2 t plus m2. Here we have also the two equations 1a and 2a. Now we apply the condition where x into 0 is equals to 0. We apply the function and x into 1 is equals to x of 1 is equals to 0 where t of t is greater than 0 in 1a. Okay, after applying the condition 1a in 1a m is equals to 0 and applying the condition in 2a c1 is equals to 0. Now we have x is equals to 0 because both are 0. This is the equation 3a. We substitute the equation 2a and 3a into equation number 2. We have u is equals to 0 into c2 t plus m2 which becomes 0. So this is a trivial solution. Trivial solution होता है जिसमें हमारे पास सिंपलेस्ट बेसिक आंसर आता है, 0 के इक्वल आंसर आता है हमारे पास. अब चलते हैं हम केस 2 पर. अब हमारे पास लैम्डा इज इक्वल्स टू n स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन 0. अब हमारे पास n की वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 0 होनी चाहिए. सेम वही प्रोसेस होगा, हम अपने जो लैम्डा की वैल्यू है अपनी कंडीशंस में पुट करेंगे. पुट करने से हमारे पास जो x आएगा वो आएगा सी क्यूब कोस एच एन एक्स प्लस सी फोर साइन एच एन एक्स, एन टी आएगा हमारे पास सी फाइव कोस एच एन एक्स एच एन ए एक्स एंड सी सिक्स साइन एच एन ए एक्स. We mark these equations as 1b and 1b. Now we apply the same condition where x of 0 is equals to 0 and x of 1 is equals to 0, where t of t is greater than 0. In equation 1b, we have c cube is equals to 0 and c4 is equals to 0. As both the values were 0, so we have x here is equals to 0 and mark this equation as 3b. So again we will substitute 2b and 3b into equation number 2, which is equal to, we will substitute 2b and 3b into equation number 2, which is equal to u is equal to 0 into cos c5 cos h and at plus c6 sin h and at. It is equal to 0. This also become trivial solution. We will move to case number 3, when lambda is equals to minus n square smaller than 0. Okay, same, we will apply the value of lambda. We will put the value of lambda in the conditions a and b. We have the solution x is equals to c7 cos n x and plus cos c8 sin nx. This is equation number 1c. And t is equals to cos a ca cos nat plus c10 sin nat. This is equation number ic. Now we apply the condition x of 0 is equals to 0 and x of 1 is equals to 0 and t is greater than 0. In equation 1c, we have the value c7 is equals to 0. C7 की वैल्यू भी हमारे पास 0 आ चुकी है. सो अब हमने कोशिश करनी है कि हम चाहते हैं कि C8 का जो है हमारे पास नॉन ट्रिवियल सोल्यूशन है. उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, साइन n इज इक्वल्स टू 0, n इज इक्वल्स टू साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 0 एंड n इज इक्वल्स टू k पाई, वेयर k could be 0 1 2 3 4. Then we have the equation x is equals to C8 sin k pi x. This is equation number 3c. Now substitute the value of 2c and 3c into the equation number 2. We have u is equals to c8 sin kx and cos nat and plus c10 sin nat becomes summation infinity n is equals to 1 an cos nat plus bn sin nat sin k pi x, where an is equals to c8 c9 and bn is equals to c8 c10. Now we will determine the value of an and bn by integration. We will apply here the integration, and we have the value of a is 4 over k square pi square over minus 1 की power k plus 1. In step 5, we will determine the value of bn by integration. After solving these integrations, we have the value of bn which is equals to 4 into minus 1 k plus 1 over k square pi square summation n is equals to 1 cos nat plus 1 or sorry, these are the values of these are the values of an and bn. After integration, our final result is u of xt is equals to 4 over pi cube summation of n is equals to 0 1 minus 1 into power exponent n over n cube cos n pi at plus 1 minus 1 raised to power n over n raised to power 4 pi a sin n pi at into sin n pi x.